Hello. Good evening. It's another long weekend again, and I have something to say. Maybe the next time that we're gonna do this episode is gonna be in the real bar, but I just keep on waiting when, where. So maybe soon. I'm excited to go back in the real bar actually that I can work to. But maybe I don't know. Maybe soon, but we never know, because this pandemic just keep on hitting back again. So it's hard, but I'm so excited to go back to the real world in the bar, you know. So, well, the drinks that I gonna do tonight is gonna be the Ciroc Cross. So this is the main ingredients actually. First, I got the honey calamansi juice. This is fresh calamansi actually. Then I got this long time infused of the manzanitas candy, cotton candy actually. This really good, really good. This has been maybe 6 months or more than that. It's good to have a shot with this, you know. So this is infused in the white rum, and I got the lime gin. So here we go. And then I got the Ciroc Vodka. As you know, Ciroc Vodka is like French, you know. So, and then I got the Bugnay Wines. Bugnay Wines is like locally made from our place. So there we go. And then I got the Grenadine syrup. So, and then this is the garnish that we have tonight. It's the sun-dried lemon. Let me get the glass, a nice frosty glass. Got some ice. So this is the cotton candy, about 20 ml. So, and then the gin lime, another 20. Then the Ciroc Vodka. This is syrup. There we go. Should be 30 ml. Just the base. Can smell already. It's really good. And then 30 of the Bugnay wines. Okay. And then a dash of the Grenadine syrup. That's it. And then 30 ml of the honey calamansi. But scoop of ice. And put this back in the freezer. See the color? When you shake it, it's gonna be more firm. That's it. Strain it. This is not double strain, you know, so. See the color? It's perfect pour, and the color, so nice, and the garnish on top. So this is your Ciroc cross. And before we end up this session tonight, it's gonna be, please, again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and I got the Facebook page also. Share it to your friends, to everybody, and my Instagram also, please. And this is what I do actually. I just continue what I do, and we'll see, you know, so how long it long lasts anyway. So and I can't wait until I go back in the real world actually. So this is for fun now, and soon it's gonna be real. Reality is kind of different than this anyway. So anyway, thank you, have a nice weekend. Thanks for the subscriber also who subscribed me, wherever you are, and thank you so much.